Hi everyone, this is Creed83 and today I'm bringing you Infinity Crate. Now I don't know much about it, but it does ask you to list things you like, so this could be a very interesting box. If you can get into it. And everything's wrapped in a t-shirt. First off, little dangly Yoshi. I love Yoshi. I'm gonna have to find something to put that on. Oh, nice and soft and everything. Collectibles for Dummies poster with some interesting things on it. Some golden gum nuggets. Never heard of them. Tutti Frutti flavour candy coated bubblegum. Oh! Claptrap Borderlands pop. That is absolutely amazing. Some gaming buttons there. You can see them, Pokemon and Minecraft. And t-shirt. Oh yes. Hulk versus Thanos Infinity Stones. That will be going in my special collection. And that's everything from in the box. So let's recap. Got the Claptrap Pop. I absolutely love this. Amazing. Got the Golden Nuggets candy. I'll be trying that later. The badges. The dangling Yoshi. That's so cool. The collectibles for dummies. And the really cool Hulk vs Thanos. Wow, that was absolutely amazing, that box, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.